Unit 9, Lesson 6, Speaking. Exercise A. Read the words letter A to L. They are all in the conversation in Lesson 5. A to L or A to the end here. All of the words. They are put in two classes or categories or groups. A to L and this is the Roman numbers from here, from 8, this word 8 up to the end. Okay, what's special about all the words? All the words. Read skill check 1 and check. Match each word with the word number to E. Here, here. Fine. So we can say the words from all the words have one syllable word. Okay, one syllable. 4, 8, all of the words. Here, red here, past tense of read is what? Is red. Is red. Skill check 1. Read skill check 1 and check. Skill check 1. Homophones, sometimes two or more words in English have the same pronunciation. Examples: there, there. To, when to is stressed. So two or more words in English have the same pronunciation, like these examples here. Do not try to make any difference in the pronunciation. The listener will understand which word you mean from the context. So if I say, give me 2 pencils, you know. And if I say, I'm going to, also you understand. Or this is too hot, you understand from the context where the word is expressed. So don't change how to pronounce. Do not try to make any difference. Pronounce them the same. Pronounce all the words the same. I mean the words that have similar pronunciation or the same pronunciation. Match each word with the word numbered I or Roman letters from this to this. So I will do half of them for you. So we have board, a board with board here. Blue with blue here. 8 with the past of eat here, 8. 4 with 4 here. Here with here. No with no. You try G up to L yourselves. Okay, exercise B. Read this part of the conversation from lesson 5. This part here up to the end. You can make it a bit smaller. To be clear. Too small here. Anyhow, you can check in your book. And we have questions here. Write one word in each space. You can use the same word more than once. Read the skill set 2 and check. So they here. How? So how I win the game. You must, for example. Skills check to explaining rules. Skills check to explain the rules. We explain rules with must, can, and can't. Examples: giving the objective, you must take all your opponent's pieces to win. And saying what is allowed, a counter can move one space. Saying what's not allowed, you can't jump over a counter. So you can go back to lesson here. Lesson 5, and to fill here. Okay, this is very important. So you say must, can, can't. So what's suitable here? And see how, and so on. The most important thing in this exercise, or in 3, how do you say can count in this conversation? Read the skills check 3. With skills check 3, can and count. When you write can or count, it's easy to see the difference between the positive and the negative. But when you say can't, it is often difficult for the listener to hear the ending. For this reason, the negative has a different vowel sound in British English. So we say can positive, but can't negative, except at the end of a sentence. So example, you say yes, you can. You don't say yes, you can. You can say, can I help you? And can't is very important to pronounce them differently. Fine. So all of these spaces must be filled by must, can, or can't, and make sure you make a difference in pronunciation of positive can and negative can't. C, cover everything except the picture of the Sorokarta playing board in lesson 5. Mark playing pieces at the start of the game. Explain to each other the basic rules. Okay, this is the end of what? Of Unit 6 speaking. Lesson 6, sorry. Lesson 6 speaking, Unit 9. Unit 9, sport and leisure. Leisure, sport and leisure. Lesson 6 speaking.